Hello children, I welcome you all for the online classes. Myself Mrs. Nivedita Matpati. I am your English teacher. Today we will learn about the grammar children. Before I tell the grammar topic name here, I would like to ask you some questions here. Can you tell me what's your name? What's your father's name? What's your friend's name here? For example, your friend's name might be Rita, Riya, then Aradhya, isn't it? Sangamesh. These are your friend's name, isn't it? Then, can you tell me the place where you will be visiting to have a fun and all? If you want to purchase something, I can tell you, you might be visiting to the place zoo, market, then mall will be there, isn't it? Bus stand. You will be going to pray for temple, isn't it? These are the places. Okay. Then next, can you tell me some animals names, children? Which your favorite animal you might be watching in the TV? Your favorite bird, like lion, tiger, elephant, cat, dog. These are the animals name. Then next, birds: peacock, parrot, cock, hen. The birds name. These are the birds name. Then things, we'll discuss about the things, children. At the place where you will be sitting, you might be observing many things there, isn't it? Like now we are giving the notes, PDF notes in the mobile, isn't it? You will be using the mobile is also a thing here. Okay. Then books, notebooks, the pencil which you will be using, eraser, these all are the things. So the names of the person, places, things, animals, birds, these all are nothing but naming words. So today grammar topic name is naming words. What is children? See the definition. The names of the persons, places, animals or things are called naming words here. What is children? The names of the persons, places, animals or things. Even you can write the names of fruits, vegetables, isn't it? These all are called naming words or nouns. Nouns is nothing but naming words. What is children? Now next. Everything in this world or around us has a name. Everything in the world, not only around us, children, in the world also, a particular thing is having a name there. As I told you, person, places, things, birds, animals, fruits, vegetables, etc. Everything around us or in the world has a name there. Okay. Now next. All names or naming words are nouns. What is children? Naming words is nothing but nouns here. Got it? Next. Names help us to identify people, places, animals, birds or things. A particular name will help us to identify the person or the place or the thing or the food or the fruits or vegetables and all. Got it, children? So here I will give you the examples. Names of persons. These are the examples, children. See. Pune, pilot, police, porter. These are the names of persons here, isn't it? They have a particular name there. Next, names of animals and birds. Names of animals and birds. We can see the examples here. Kingfisher, swan, owl, donkey, ox, camel. Here, kingfisher, swan, owl are the names of birds. Then donkey, ox, camel are the names of animals here, isn't it? Now next. Names of fruits and vegetables. See, pomegranate, grapes, cucumber, ginger. So here, pomegranate and grapes are the names of fruits, isn't it? Then cucumber and ginger are the names of vegetables. Now next, names of places and things here. You can see examples: home, Meerut, Agra, ruler, these are the visiting places. 1, 2, Meerut, Agra, and still more are there, isn't it? Even you will be going to Buddh Vihar also, isn't? Then you will be visiting to restaurant also. These are the places, children. Now you will be going to school also. Nowadays, because of COVID, you are at home. Home is also place. Like that, you will be coming to school also, isn't it? Now next, ruler, pen, clock, vase. These are the things, children. Ruler, pen, clock, vase. Not only these, you can add some more things also around wherever you will be sitting there. Got it? Now, see, I will give you some more examples, children, here. See, children, here, these are the names of the persons. See here, doctor, postman, carpenter, blacksmith, sweeper, mason, washerman, cobbler. See here, children, these are the names of the persons. What does the doctor do, children? Doctor treats the ill people, patients, isn't it? Then next, postman. What does the postman do, children? Postman delivers the letters. Next, carpenter. What does the carpenter do, children? Carpenter will make the furnitures. Next, blacksmith. Next, see to the sweeper. What does the sweeper do, children? He cleans the road. Next, what does the mason do, children, here? He will construct the building. You can see with the bricks, he is constructing the building there, isn't it? Then next, see to the washerman. What does the washerman do, children? Washerman is cleaning the clothes, isn't it? Then next, see to the cobbler. What does the cobbler do, children? Cobbler mends the shoes. So, these are the names of the persons. Next, you see, places of worship. This is Gurudwara, worship places. Sikh people go to Gurudwara to pray. Next, you see to the temple. Hindus go to temple to pray. Then next, see to the mosque. Muslims go to mosque to pray, children. Then next, see to the church. Who will go to the church, children? Yes, Christians go to church to pray. So, these are the names of worship places. Next, see, names of animals. You can see cow, horse, buffalo, donkey, pig, rabbit. These are the names of animals. And see, now next, elephant. Elephant is a national heritage animal, children. Okay? What is elephant, children? Elephant is a national heritage animal. Okay, these are wild animals. See, monkey, fox, wolf, lion, and bear. Next, zebra, tiger, tiger. Children, here tiger is our national animal. Got it? Tiger is our national animal. Next, kangaroo, and this is giraffe. These are the names of the animals. Now, next, see, children. Names of birds. Pigeon, swan, duck, nightingale, crow, parrot, cock, bulbul, peacock. Children, here peacock is our national bird. Got it, children? Peacock is our national bird. Then sparrow, hen. These all are the names of the birds. Next, names of fruits, children. Mango. Children, here mango is called the king of fruits. Mango is called the king of fruits. Banana, orange, muskmelon, coconut, grapes, papaya, pomegranate, next apple. So these all are the names of fruits. Next, these names of vegetables. See here, brinjal, chilli, potato. Children, here potato is called the king of vegetables. Potato is called the king of vegetables. Next, cucumber, onion, tomato, lemon, cauliflower. These all are the names of vegetables. Now children, I will give some examples of things around us. See, this is the duster children, paper, then you can see to the watch, next piece of chalk, grammar book, this is your English grammar book, then see watch, then you can see to the stick, even you can see to the bangles which I am wearing, then next you can see to the board where I have written. These all are the names of the things children which you will be observing around us. Still more examples I will be the children. Benches, isn't it? Chair, table, these all are the fan, even fan also is a thing. So these all are the examples of things here. Now children, see, complete the following table. Complete the following table. See, in the box some names are given children. Okay, you have to read the name and you have to complete the columns here. See, first one is the postman, zoo, donkey, chair, father, office, deer, clock. These are the names given in the box. So you have to identify the names and complete in the column. See, first column is person, second column is place, third column is animal, and the fourth column is thing. So shall we start children? Now see, to the first one, postman. Can you tell me children, who is this postman? Yes, postman is a person. So I will write postman here in the column of person. Postman. Now next, zoo. Can you tell me children, what is zoo here? What is zoo here? Yes, zoo is a place, isn't it? So in the column of place I will write here zoo. Now let's see to the donkey. Can you tell me children, what is donkey? Yes, donkey is the name of an animal. So I will write here donkey. Then next to the chair. Can you tell me children, what is this chair? Yes, it's a name of a thing here. So in the thing column I will write the chair here. Okay. Next, father. Can you tell me children, what is father here? Yes, it's a person name. So I will write in the person column father. Father. Next, office. Can you tell me what is office children? Yes, it's a place. So I will write here office. Now next, deer. Can you tell me children, what is deer? Yes, it's a name of an animal. So I will write here deer. Now next, L-O-C-K, lock. Can you tell me what is lock children? Yes, it's the name of a thing. You know already key lock, isn't it? When you will be going outside, then you will lock the door and go, isn't it? You will be going outside with your parents. So you will be using key and lock. They are nothing but things. So rock is thing here. So what is children? See, in box names will be given. You have to read the names. You have to identify the names and you have to fill in the column. Means you have to identify who is person, which is place, which is animal and which is thing here. As I told you, see here. Names help us to identify. Names help us to identify people, places, animals, birds or things. Isn't it? So in this column, all these names help us to identify. So that's why we completed the table. Isn't it? Names of person, place, animal, thing. We can identify now. Isn't it? Got it, children? So I will give the homework now here. You have to make a list of 10 persons, places, animals, things. Not only these, fruits, vegetables. Got it, children? This is the homework for you all. So hope you all might have understood the grammar naming words. Can you tell me once again what is naming words? The names of the person, places, animals or things are called naming words or nouns. Okay, naming word is nothing but it's a noun. Hope you all might have understood. If you want, you can go through it once again. Thank you. Have a good day.